This brand is made in China and is available online at Amazon, but the guarantee on the units is minimal. The CP1 has a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity and uses environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant. The units use a single exhaust hose, which is less efficient because cool air is constantly being removed from the room and is replaced by outside air which has to be cooled. They have 3 fan speeds with auto swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room, but only have a basic mesh washable filter which does not do much to improve the room's air quality. The units use self-evaporating technology where the condensate from the air conditioner is used to cool the condenser coil, which helps the efficiency and minimizes the need to empty a condensate pan. The units are relatively quiet in operation with a 53 decibel sound rating, and they have a 7.7 EER efficiency. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.